Today we are going to learn 3 magical words. Words that make everyone happy. Words that spread kindness. When we want something, we don't shout. We use a gentle magic word. Please.
Mom, can I have my milk, please?
Mom smiles and gives it. See, the magic word worked. When someone gives us something or helps us, we say thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
This magic word makes others feel happy inside. Sometimes we make mistakes, and that's okay, but we should always say, "Sorry."
I'm sorry, Tim. I didn't mean it.
The magic word sorry fixes hearts. These 3 magical words make the world a kinder place.
Please. Sorry. Thank you.
Use them every day.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Fun to learn with Susanna. Bye bye.